Hey friends, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Lei. Today we're making something truly special.
Portokalopita,
also known as a Greek orange pie. I learned this recipe in a cooking class in Athens, and from the very first bite, I was totally hooked. It's crispy on the outside, tender, syrup-soaked on the inside, bursting with bright citrusy flavors.
It's like sunshine on a plate.
So let's grab our aprons and make some magic together. We start with the syrup. It needs to cool before we soak the pie. In a saucepan, combine sugar, water, a cinnamon stick, and a strip of orange peel. Bring it to a gentle boil, then simmer for a few minutes until the sugar dissolves completely. This syrup is what makes the Greek orange pie uniquely moist and flavorful. Once it's done, set it aside in the fridge to cool. Now let's prepare our ingredients. Zest 1 fresh orange, then squeeze out its juice. The fun part, tear the Phyllo sheets into 1 inch by 1 inch pieces. Don't worry about if they are the same size or not. This is what gave the pie the signature texture, kind of pillowy. Making the batter. In a mixing bowl, whisk together Greek yogurt and sugar until light and frothy. Then crack in 2 eggs. Add orange zest, orange juice, baking powder, vanilla extract, salt. Stir until it's well mixed. Slowly drizzle in the oil in batches while whisking. I used olive oil, regular olive oil, and did it in 4 batches. You can use other oil as long as the flavor is not too strong. Now take the shredded phyllo pieces and fold it into the batter, a handful at a time. You will notice it absorbs all the citrusy goodness, creating layers of crispy and soft texture that makes this dessert so special. Pour the mixture into a 9 inch by 9 inch round pie dish. It's about 1.5 inch deep. Tap the dish on the counter a few times to make sure there are no air pockets. Bake at 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes, or until golden brown and crispy on top. Your kitchen will smell absolutely divine. Take the pie out of the oven. Poke holes all over the pie with a skewer. Slowly pour in the syrup over in batches. Let it soak in before adding more. Now for the final touches. Dust with powdered sugar. Garnish with a slice of orange peel and the cinnamon stick from our syrup. There you have it. Portokalopita, just like we made in Athens. Sweet, tangy, and absolutely irresistible. Pair it with a fresh cup of coffee or tea and let every bite take you back to Greece. Please check in the description below for ingredients, step-by-step cooking instructions, and links to products frequently used in my videos. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more authentic dishes from around the world. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.